Buying a condo in Burlington. Hi, this is Bob Morrow, here again with a buyer tip for you. How do I know when I've found the right house? Agents like to call it the wow factor. I'm sure you've heard about it before. If you watch HGTV, you'll hear it all the time. You'll see the people go through a half-hour episode, see 3 houses and pick one of them because they just got swept off their feet. Of course, they don't tell you that they've usually seen 10 other houses before that show, but that's irrelevant. The wow factor is found by understanding what compromises you're going to make in order to buy a house. Because the perfect house with the perfect price and everything you want is probably not out there. Most people have to make some sort of compromise. When you're on the internet looking at houses, you don't really know what you like and what you don't like. You think you do, and you make a list, and hopefully you give it to the agent, and he tries to find houses that fit that list. But the more you go out, house after house after house, you'll find things that you like, things that you don't like. Maybe a sunken living room doesn't really turn you on the way you thought it would. Maybe a double sink bathroom is more important than you thought it was. After each house, you keep the lines of communication open with your agent, and each house will get better and better because he now is understanding what you want more. One day you'll walk into a house and you'll say, hey, this has everything I want. And the funny thing is, the list at the end of the day of the house that you buy won't even resemble the list that you initially gave me to start out with. For more tips like this, go to emailhomes.ca. Help is only an email away.